finally, after searching the web for a long time, I came across a real and easy way to get paid online. And not only will I show you everything step by step so you can effortlessly set this up, but I will also show you a huge bonus at the end of the video that will allow you to literally make money online doing nothing. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, a gold coin will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Alright, so as you've just heard, I will show you in this video how you can get paid in PayPal money indeed. And the first website that will pay you in a PayPal money is this one I'm on as we speak, called Userlytics.com. And what this site is, since I know most of you haven't heard about it, is a testing platform. And the way it works is as follows. Say you have some new game app that has been released. What the publishers would do to make sure the app is bug-free and works exactly as intended and is also user-friendly is that they would come over to Userlytics or some other platform and pay them to test their game out. And once testing is done, Userlytics will send that data back to their customer. In this fashion, the publishers can now correct and fix any issues if they have been found, as well as optimize the game or website to make it better looking and more user-friendly if required. This same process applies to everything and anything guys. It doesn't have to be an app per se. It can be some brand new website. But regardless, this begs the question, what are we doing here? And how can this site make us money? Well, here's the thing. Userlytics need people to test out the games and websites. And they're willing to pay people a lot of money actually, despite the fact that you literally need zero skills. You can get paid big time, and Userlytics will give you detailed instructions as to exactly what you'll need to do. But I want you guys to keep watching because I will explain the entire process step by step, as well as giving you a bonus platform later on. Anyhow, now that you guys know what this website is, let's proceed to what you want to do when you come on their homepage. You'll need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, like so. And you then want to click on Get Paid to Participate right over here. That will now take you over to this page. And take a look at this. You can get paid between $5 and $20 most of the time per single app or site that you test out, which is quite decent actually. But the best part is, some people have been paid as much as $90 per single test, which, when you think about it, is insane. You don't need any skills or expertise for this. You can test the apps and websites whenever you want to, and for as long as you have the mobile phone or computer, you will be able to get paid. Now, what you will need to do on this page, guys, is you want to enter in your email address in this box here. You will then tick these two boxes to confirm that you are over the age of 16 and that you agree to their terms. And finally, just click on the sign up button right here. The next thing you will need to do is go over to your Gmail account, as Userlytics will send you a message to your email address so that you can confirm it. And this is how the message will look. To confirm the email address, you click right here. Finally, once you are done, you will be able to actually sign up as a tester. You'll enter in your full name in these two boxes here. You will select which country you're from. And by the way, you can see that Userlytics does work worldwide indeed. And the next thing you will need to do is enter in your date of birth, your PayPal, email address, then select your gender, and enter in your password. And lastly, just click on submit and you'll now be able to log into your brand new account and get paid for testing those sites and apps. With all that said and done, Userlytics is not the only platform that will pay you for testing. There is another one out there, And it's this one here called userfeel.com. And this website is just like the previous platform, a place where you can test various apps and websites and get paid. It works in much the same fashion as the previous platform. A publisher pays this platform to test an app, for example, and they will then take part of that money and pay their testers to find if there are any bugs. You can see here that this is a very popular site, and this had over 140,000 testers from all over the world. So this does work in most countries, and will most likely work in yours too. And that is arguably one of the best features of this site. They also have over 500 happy clients, and some of the said clients can be seen just below, which as you can see includes some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. With all of that said and done guys, I don't want to prolong this video, so let's get to what you need to do on this platform so that you can get paid. The first thing you want to do is click right up here. On the next page, you'll need to enter in all of the info so you can create an account and start getting paid by testing those apps. You will enter in your first and last names in these two boxes. Your email address just below, which you will need to retype his confirmation as well. You will then select what country you're coming from and type in your birth date. And finally, the last thing you want to type in is your password. The next thing you will need to do is choose how you will get paid. And yes, this platform does offer PayPal as you can see. The last bits of info you will need to enter guys is demographics. What is your gender, native language, fluency when speaking language, and so on. And once you enter all of that in, just scroll down and click on apply for tester below to finish the process. As some of you could recall from the very beginning of the video, I do have a bonus platform, and it's this one here called honeygame.com. This platform is quite a bit different in comparison to the previous two, because you'll be making money by sharing your internet. And the best part is that it will pay you in passive income basically. You install this and earn money. How easy is that? Now don't worry, your security isn't at risk or anything. And Honeygain, as you can see, is a perfect way to earn passive income online. Here you can see that Honeygain is indeed secure. Like I said before, Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asked for or gain access to the storage of your device. So they won't steal your data, and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. If you want to read more on this, you can click right here. But in my opinion, I don't think that's necessary. Long story short guys, this will share your internet and you will get paid for it. I don't want to go too much into depth with this app since it will unnecessarily prolong this tutorial. And after all, you can check out all the features it offers if you so wish. So let's jump to what you want to do on here so you can get paid. To install those to your PC guys, just head over to their official site and just click on download for Windows right here. And you will be able to install this and collect money in passive income. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.